Hi everyone, I am Prabhu Madar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, PLDECT, Vijaypur. In this video, I am going to discuss about conditional branching statement. So the topic of my discussion is definition of if-else statement, if-else statement with syntax and example, implementation of real-world examples using if-else statement. So let us first understand what is meant by if-else statement. The if-else statement is a two-way selection statement. It executes either true block of the statement or false block of the statement based on given condition. That is, if the given condition is true, it will execute true block. If the given condition is false, it will execute a false block. So it depends upon the evaluation of an expression. It will take a decision. So the if-else statement is used by the programmer to select one from two alternatives. So we'll be having two choices. So it depends upon the evaluation result. A particular block will be selected for execution. The following instruction shows the syntax of the if-else statement. So first we will write if, then we insert a condition. So this is called as true block. If this condition is true, then this particular block will be executed. Suppose if this condition is false, then this block will be skipped and it will jump to else part. So the else is a block which will be executed when a particular condition becomes false. Let us look at the flowchart. So initially we will check a condition. If this condition is true, then a control flows to true block. If the condition is false, then control flows to else block and else statements will be executed. And finally, a program will be terminated. So now let us look at some real world examples where if-else concept is used to implement a programs. So to check even or odd number, so there we will use a if-else statement. So if the condition is true, we say the given number is even, otherwise the given number is odd. Similarly, we use if-else statement to find smallest and largest of two numbers, to check positive or negative numbers, to check eligibility for voting or not, and we can also use if-else statement to check eligibility for marriage, exam, job, etc. So let us write a code to demonstrate the given number is even or odd using code blocks. So I create a new file. So I type the objective. My objective is to find the given integer number even or odd. So I want to say whether entered number is even or odd, right? So let us start a program by inserting #include instruction stdio.h void main. So I will declare a variable of type integer because I want to check the entered integer value is even or odd. So therefore I write int num. Num is a variable name which is used to hold the entered number from the keyboard. So I write printf enter the number. to check even or odd. So next I take one more variable, that is reminder, because to find a given number is even or odd, so I need to first compute reminder. So depends upon the value of the reminder, we can take a decision whether given number is even or odd. So therefore I first find out what is a reminder after dividing a number by 2. So I write REM equal to NUM modulus operator 2. So the modulus operator will retrieve the reminder, will return a reminder value. So this particular operation will perform the division and it will return reminder. The returned reminder will be stored in REM variable. So now I use if condition to check the content of reminder. The content of reminder is equal to 0. So this is a relational operator, so which will check a relationship between the content of Rm and the constant value 0. So here I am checking the reminder is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then I want to say the entered number is even. If the reminder is not equal to 0, so then I write that information in else part. So here I write printf the entered number is odd. So here I will close the flower bracket to complete else block. So I close one more flower bracket to complete whole program. So this particular block is else block. So if this condition is true, then else part will, if part will be executed. If it is false, it will execute else part. So let me save this file, even odd.c. I'll go to build option to compile the program. Yes, I got an error, one error. So let me check where exactly this error is occurred. So undefined reference to win main. I'm getting error undefined reference to win main. So I should write it as a main. I save once again. Yeah, I run this code. I don't have any errors in this program. So I click on run button. Yes, a small mistake has been done here. See, in this program I haven't written a statement to read a value from the keyboard. So that's why I write scanf %d, because I am reading integer value and I want to store this value in num variable, right? So I save this file, build once again. Yes, 0 errors and 0 warning. So now I run this code. So it is asking me to enter the value. If I enter the value as a 7, so the 7 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. So therefore the if block, that is true block, is skipped, else block is executed. So therefore it is displaying the entered number is odd. So now we'll check for even condition. So if I enter a number as a 20, so 20 modulus 2 is equal to 0. So the 0 will be stored in reminder. 0 equal to 0, this condition will be true. So then a true block will be executed and else block is skipped. So therefore it is displaying the entered number is 1. Hope you understood this concept. Thank you.